5 centuries past, Cambuskenneth holds the last. Beneath the altar, cold and deep, a queen and king in silent sleep. He fled the field at Sauchieburn, the crown his son was quick to earn. A stranger came and spoke the words, "I'll shrive thee now." Then came the sword, no witness lived,